Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater at the top in order to activate it. When you're ready, scroll down just a bit and tap on the best option for you to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it and follow all of those instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. You can always scale it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. If you wish to change placement of it, you can hold this gray line at the top and drag it. You can also click on this little icon on one of its sides. In order to go back to the standard size screen, just tap on this blurry area. Then, to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!